Hi everyone, this is AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. So the question is given x power 6 minus y power 6 is equal to 30 root 3 and x cube y plus xy cube is equal to 4. Then you have to find the value of x power 6 y power 6. So this is an Olympiad problem. So here like this only logical and critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. Those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel and share the channel to your friends so that you can get the latest updates and you can gain the knowledge. So here first of all what is given? So here first what is given? X power 6 minus y power 6 is equal to 30 root 3 and x cube y plus xy cube is equal to 4. So in this problem first of all you have to find the values. Some critical logics will be there. So what is the logic here? First we will take let x is equal to x square plus y square is equal to a and x square plus y square is equal to b. This is the main logic in this problem. You have to take x square plus y square is equal to a and x square y square is equal to b. Then what will happen now? X square y square is equal to a x. Now I want to find x square minus y square value. X square minus y square value will be root of x square plus y square whole square minus 4x square y square. So here x square minus y square can be written as if you take in terms of a, if you write a and b, in terms of a and b, what you will get is a square minus 4b. A square minus 4b. Now I want to find x power 6 minus y power 6. X power 6 minus y power 6 is equal to 30 root 3. 30 root 3. Before going to this, I will find x power 6 plus y power 6 value. X power 6 plus y power 6 value will get okay, that you will find afterwards. So the second condition is given x cube y plus xy cube is equal to 4. So this can be written as xy common x square plus y square is equal to 4. This can be written as, this is root b. Root b, b value is x square y square. This is root b and this value is a is equal to 4. Now here squaring on both sides, a square b is equal to 16. A square is equal to 16 by b. So here b is not equal to 0. B is not equal to 0. So this is one condition you got. Now x power 6 minus y power 6. So this is only the main logic in this problem. So this is the main step. So watch up to the end. So very logical and critical problem this is. So here this can be written as x cube whole square minus y cube whole square is equal to 30 root 3. So here you can write it as x cube plus y cube, a plus b into x cube minus y cube, a minus b is equal to 30 root 3. So here a cube plus b cube formula, a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Now a cube minus b cube formula, a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square is equal to 30 root 3. Now if you multiply this, what will get? So this is again a plus b, a minus b, a square plus b square. Now if you multiply this, one and this one, first you will multiply these two, multiply this one and this one, x power 4 plus x square y square plus x cube y plus y square x square plus y power 4 plus xy cube minus x cube y minus xy cube minus x square y square. So this step is very, very important. So here x cube y minus x cube y get cancel. Xy cube plus xy cube get cancel. Now what will get here? X square plus y square into x square plus y square. X square minus y square. By mistake I wrote here plus minus y square into. So this can be written as x square plus y square whole square minus x square y square. So this is the main step in this problem. So x power 4, y power 4, 2x square y square, and this last term is missing, that we wrote here. Okay, now what will get here? If you write this in the form of a and b, so x power 6, this is x power 6 minus y power 6 value, this is equal to 30 root 3. So this if you are writing x square minus y square, so x square minus y square, here x square minus y square, root of a square minus 4b, x square plus y square, x square plus y square is a square minus x square y square is b is equal to 30 root 3. So substitute the value of a square here. Got a square value 16 by b. So here I am substituting the value of a 16 by b minus 4b bracket a square 16 by b minus b is equal to 30 root 3. 30 root 3. So here you can take 4 common. 4 means here you will get 2. 2 root of 4 minus b. Here if you take LCM, b square will get by b. Here 16 minus b square by b is equal to 30 root 3. So then what will get here now? So up to the end you watch the video, very very important. So here 2 will go that side, so 2 will cancel, 15 we are getting. Now root of 4 minus b square into 16 minus b square equal to 15 root 3. Here you will get b power 1 by 2 here. B power 1 by 2, b power 1 now. B to the power of 3 by 2 will get here in the numerator. B to the power of 3 by 2. So here both they are adding, this will go that side. Now here if you solve this, you will get b value 1 now and a value 4. B value 1 means a value 4. So here x power 6 plus y power 6 is equal to x square plus y square whole cube minus 3x square y square x square y square. So you can write it as a cube minus 3ab. A cube is 64 minus 3ab means 3 into 4, 12. 64 minus 12, 52. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the video and share to your friends.